Now it's time to take care of the navigation on the left hand side. First of all, we obviously don't need this basket left because we're not going to be displaying any basket in a control panel. Now, if empty cards, we can also remove this and obviously remove this closing one here. For each, we won't be using for each loop here either. So we can remove this one. We will be using, however, li tags, but without any PHP around them. So we can actually remove all this. Okay, let's remove. Actually, do you know what? Let's remove the entire thing, and we're gonna create these links again. That's gonna be easier. So after the left, div ID left. If I create a few new lines so that it goes up here, div ID left. After this one, we're going to first check if login is logged, and then we take login admin. Basically, we're checking if the administrator has logged in. Then we're going to display this navigation. Else, otherwise, let's just display the placeholder, so non-breakable space. Okay, now this navigation on the left hand side. Before we go into creating the links, let's first change the heading to navigation, and after this navigation heading we can also put div with the class def br top dashed, and again non-breakable space. Now it's time for the navigation, so we start with li href /admin / page equals products. Then on a new line, if we start here, PHP echo helper get active, and we pass in an array here, which will be array page, and we want this page to have product assigned to it, and then semicolon and closing PHP tag. And after this, so let's close the opening a tag as well, and products, and then we closing a tag and closing li tag. So that's our, actually I had this closing li tag here, so that's fine. Let's put it like that. That's a little bit more readable. So that's our first link to the products page. Then we copy the entire thing, paste it underneath. This time we're going to, after products, we're going to have categories. So obviously this time page equals categories, and here we're going to have categories as a label as well. Copy the whole thing. After categories, we'll have orders. We have to replace it here in the array and as a label. Copy the entire thing again. Then we're going to have clients. Same thing here and down here. Copy it. And after clients, we're going to have business profile. So basically, business. Okay, so now that's everything actually in terms of a structure. So if we save the file, go back to our admin section, now refresh, you can see, hold on, if we refresh it, we can still see the basket, and the reason why we can see the basket is because we are linking to the wrong header and footer. Because if we go back to our index page inside of the pages folder, I just require once directly the header.php, which basically goes to this template folder. So what we need to do is to put template before this and then /. So if we copy this thing, and for the footer as well, now go back and refresh, and you can see we can't see navigation on the left hand side because obviously we are not logged in as administrator. We can only see the login screen and the login link, which redirects us basically to the login string, to the login page of the content management system. So let's move to the next video.